Hey, it's that time of the week again. Here is my Asda shop. I'll put the price on the screen because I can't remember off the top of my head. It is £8.20 on Saturday, the 21st of January. This is our food shop for the week for me and my 3 kids who are 8, 7 and 3. I'll go through this, then I'll put it all away and then we'll come back and have a chat about the meal plan. So I'm going to start over here. I got myself some caffeine-free Coke because it was on offer, and it's never on offer and I was down to my last can. I only have one of these like one every couple of days. That's like my little treat to myself. Some ketchup because we just ran out. My sprinkles tub needed refilling, so I've got 2 lots of stars, some rainbow sprinkles and some hundreds and thousands. Some pork mince, that is just going to be portioned and then put in the freezer for meatballs. Some bread, some bagel thins for packed lunches. My carrot and potato waffles, I've got my best friend and her little boy staying here, so we've just run out of these because the kids have been having them for their dinners. Some dinosaurs because I've just run out of nuggets, so I thought I'd swap some dinosaurs for a meal this week. Some garlic, 2 lots of grapes. The kids really like grapes at the moment and I love them, so I thought I'd get 2 lots. They were 2 for £2. 2 lots of semi-skim milk, 2 lots of plain crisps, just the essentials one, they're fine. I did order the Asda own brand meat-free sausage rolls. But these are plant-based by us, so they've just changed the packaging. So these are for Aria, she loves these. I've got myself some Freddos. These are my little evening treats straight out the fridge, delicious. I've got a little whole milk for Foxy, who is 3, 2 lots of cherries and berries, squash because the kids go through it. Bananas again, they always send bloody green bananas. Like 2 weeks ago they sent me some super green ones and we're now just eating those. So these are probably ready in 2 weeks. Sausage balls. I got myself some jalapeno hummus because I love it and I just really fancied it with some crackers. Foxy's Dunkers. He just really likes these as a snack. And they're nice for him. 2 lots of tubes. Again, my friend's little boy is here and so we're going through a lot more of these because he really likes them and all 3 of my kids eat them. Some fake parmesan. 2 lots of ham for packed lunches. Some Maryland cookies, 2 lots of ice gems, garlic granules because I've just run out, a butter, 2 lots of plain flour because I'm doing recipe testing for when I start my cakes again, 2 lots of eggs because we're just going through so many eggs. I haven't even checked these. I should have checked these when he dropped them off. They look right. 2 lots of passata, a condensed milk, again that is for recipe testing for some fudge, and I'm nearly out of coffee. So yeah, that is the food shop. I'm gonna put it away and then we'll have a chat about the meal plan. Hey, it is like, what day is it? I got my shopping yesterday on Saturday. It's now Sunday afternoon. We've done a meal plan for the week. Me and the kids sat down and did it last night while we were having our dinner. Tonight we're having pasta. Mika's gonna have pesto pasta. I've got some filled pasta that I'll need to use up. Foxy will just have butter pasta, and Aria is going to have a vegan sausage roll because she's not the biggest fan of pasta. Tomorrow we're having meatballs and rice, so that's what the pork is for. I need to get some mince out tonight for that. And then for the rest of the week it's just going to depend on what days we feel, but we're going to have chicken wraps one night, we're going to have eggy bread one night, and we're going to have spaghetti one night. And then I think I'm going to do risotto one night if I've got some chicken left over. So, yeah, this weekend has just been a make-do weekend because my friend was here with her little boy and just couldn't be asked to do any proper cooking, really. The kids had just eaten whatever they wanted. Me and Kay, I made us like a big batch of cabbage roll in a bowl, so we've been having that for lunches and dinners. And I made green pasta sauce, so we've been having that for lunches. And yeah, it's just been a lovely weekend and I'm ready to start the new week all refreshed and rejuvenated from having some soul food of my friend being with me. So yeah, it's just a basic meal plan this week. It's nothing exciting. We're just going to ease back into the real world, because we've just been in a little bubble of friendship in this house this weekend. So yeah, kids are having packed lunches as normal. Monday, Tuesday, Aria and Fox will have packed lunches at school. Wednesday, Fox will be at home with me. Thursday, he'll be at home with me. Friday, he'll be at home with me. Aria has school packed lunches or school hot dinners those days, and Mika has hot dinners or school packed lunches every day. I'm not sure what soup I'm going to make myself this week. I think I've got enough cabbage roll in the bowl for another 2 days. So I will have that, and then I'm going to reassess and see what frozen vegetables I've got. And if I haven't got anything that looks like it's going to be a soup, I'll just throw everything in a pot with some stock and then throw cheese in, because vegetables and cheese are always going to be good. So yeah, that is the week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next week.